name is Uma Chandrasekhar and this video is my self-introduction in order for my audience to get to know me profoundly. Let me start by saying that I am bringing my first vlog series on deliberation, the essence of executive leadership from the Silicon Valley of United States of America. With nearly 20 years of experience and multiple graduate, postgraduate degrees in engineering, technology, management, and leadership from 3 different countries, India, United Kingdom, and the United States, I have successfully secured a strong place for myself in the male-dominated Silicon Valley, California. I've already lived and worked in Silicon Valley, India, and United Kingdom, where I have been familiarized with hardware engineering, heavy machines engineering, software development, along with project management in the first decade of my career. I have developed software in high-level languages such as C, C++, Java, and Verilog 2, the hardware description language. So worked in the software development lifecycle as well, which has helped me to build my software engineering, software programming career. I have a good exposure to database solutions and various operating environments, including Unix, Linux, Windows, and iOS. I have work experience in artificial intelligence technologies, software research, software design, and development, along with system security too. My expertise in project management softwares, like reports, Gantt charts, BMP solutions, etc., has helped me in handling research, implementation, and testing projects. I have work experience in both agile and waterfall methods of project management. My supreme knowledge in machine learning algorithm has elevated my career in many verticals of artificial intelligence and Internet of Things. I started my career in the engineering design of high voltage electrical machines. Then I started working on system security, writing software code to provide configuration upgrades. As a matter of fact, I have worked in a testing team doing a fix-it project for a short time as well in England, UK. Then I moved to the United States of America. In the last 10 years, I have been working in managerial and executive roles in Silicon Valley, California, United States of America, in various positions with multiple responsibilities in artificial intelligence, autonomous driving, digital transformation, and intelligence forecasting. My current field of work are distinct yet connected through finer details of the engineering hub. The fields include hardware engineering, communication and information technology management, artificial intelligence, AI-based computer animation, predictive analytics, and smart devices. I have tried to set up accountability in computing systems as computers have taken an enormous role in our lives, whether in the form of morning wake-up call or afternoon conference meeting or a dinner with family in the evening. AI-trained computing systems are assisting us in our everyday activities. And this was before I dedicated my full time to hardware research. My prevailing field of work as a technical innovator is in the field of nanotechnology. My present focus is on nanochips and nanomaterials. But the ultimate idea is to move on into nanorobotics, which are nanites, in the future. I love sharing my work in the form of blogs and vlogs, and I write in medium.com, making sure my readers and audience can follow me and subscribe to me if they find the topics interesting. Silicon Valley, California is not for quitters, and being self-employed in this highly competitive environment is not an easy task to accomplish, and I have done the same successfully, which illustrates my personal strengths in 2 folds: resilience and perseverance. I love working in nanotechnology research, and my current research focus is high-volume manufacturing of nanochips, which has multiple applications, such as in advanced computing systems, both supercomputers and quantum computers, and driving innovation in scientific research, simulations, and data analytics. Nanotechnology is spreading its wings into the field of AI too. And It is used to optimize AI workloads as AI accelerators in fields such as NLP, machine learning, and especially medical related CRISPR technologies. As utilized in human device interactions, nanotechnology is being successfully experimented in wearable electronics, thus allowing cell level integration with human internal organs. The nano storage chips can be used to store petabytes of data, saving enormous amount of server rooms. And now for the juicy part of my profile. Besides being a technologist, engineer, innovator, manager, and executive, I find time to play piano. I'm an amateur pianist and I'm learning Western classical music from famous composers such as Mozart, Chopin, Bach, Liszt, Vivaldi, Beethoven, etc., completely using AI apps. True to my words, I am using artificial intelligence based apps to learn classical music. Let me highlight those words and repeat it. I am using AI based apps such as Piano Note, MuseScore, Piano Marble, Floki, Simply Piano, Musician, etc. to learn Western classical music. The following is from one of my recordings where I play Minuet in C minor by J.S. Bach, a German composer whose compositions such as Brandenburg concertos are considered as the epitome of German Baroque style. I like playing J.S. Bach because his compositions are polyphonic, which consists of simultaneous but independent melodic lines and chords which accompany the melody repeatedly. Enjoy my reset. I love bringing the Vlog series on deliberation, the essence of executive leadership, and I hope you love it too. Thank you, and I'm looking forward to stay connected through my video series.